Decided to make a video of what I've done to my 124 95 E320. Come on, 327 368. So what I've done is I've removed ignition cylinder, push button start. So push the button once, turns on ACC, and push a second time, gets ready to start. Push one more time, turns it all off. So now you step on the brake, should see a fast flashing light. That means it's ready to start. Push button, and that's it. Starts. It's one thing though, the idle is kind of high. I paid $350 for this car. I was told the wire harness was replaced, but that idle is really high. And I've put 111 miles on it since I bought it. First time driving it last night. Anyway, so here's the other feature. So I've got the key in my hand here. And stepped away from the car, turns off. So that's what I've done with my 124.